Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but shispa % ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
UDIG jang ke Eastern Range Davis ar marak. Ula pentip shikilar pathai kubor, baka daw bagi Pulit ki Suba ka Sonam, haloga jing sya penyap jong Raja Raghuvanshi, kadi hadin beklalap bahapla jongki, ke bagi hamanha homestay ha sora. Nalor ki jan udan ru Mangalsutra, lani ujing deng rendang, ya ka bagi kintai Hindu ki belayo log ki judeng bat ka don ru ka Sati hapo kata kapla. Kumta ki Pulit kila Subas ni baka kintai ayu. Kabladan laulok kaban i Mangalsutra jongka khamtam habakale jingne shabar. Deina kadika daw bagi Pulit kisdang buddin bat pha ka kin hon jongki Pulit nangni she indoor bantok bnya tar hadu banayokem. Shushu ni uhe Pulit ulaong bagi langut ki penyap yo raja kiwan hakaju hi kesngi baka Sonam bat uraja kiwan shashelong. Hadut mentau loong bagajing tokit yaki kadang yat bat kadang yakinno uwe ya uwe pan ndai onda kajing batai jongki kaya serim kumju ki Pulit kin saya lame ki sosora ban peni ya kajaka bakile ya kan kakam.
Yes, she has confessed that she is a part of the conspiracy, but the question about as to who is the mastermind that needs to be established because she is believing Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam. Yes, we will take them to Sora after we have completed our interrogation because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons that will have to be ironed out, and once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crime scene.
Sir, is it a fact that 20 lakhs she promised to the this hired killers?
That is under investigation, and this is what we are asking the accused persons at this stage. So at this stage, I will not be able to confirm that.
Sir, has Sonam made any transaction to the killers?
No, that is what we are establishing that fact through interrogation, and we will be also based on their statements we will be verifying whatever she says, and then we will be able to say how much or what kind of transaction have taken place. As of now, the accused persons have denied, but that cannot be ruled out, and it is a matter of further investigation.
Can you tell us who are all interrogating them? Is it a
See, the SIT members are there, and the members of the SIT, as they are interrogating these accused persons. See, first of all, when they give their statements, we have to verify the veracity of their statements. Like if they say that, okay, we have done this, or we have gone to that place, X, Y, Z place, or and all that, we will actually have to physically go and verify whether their statement matches with the facts or not. So that we will have to actually physically go and investigate and verify their statements as to their alibis.
Sir, whether Sonam hit Raja?
As of now, she has denied, and from the statements of the accused person, it appears that it was the hired contract killers who actually killed Raja. Yes, the statement of the accused persons, that is the contract killers, suggests that that Sonam helped in throwing the body after Raja was killed. She helped in lifting the body and throwing to the gorge.
all these activities were done in Vaisaudong or any other place?
According to the statements, it was done in Vaisaudong.
Red light for police.
It is one of the red lights in a sense that there were certain inconsistencies in the facts that we were before the police at that point of time. Like for instance, we had recovered the body, we had recovered the murder weapon, but the girl was missing. Then there was a case of this Mangalsutra. There were also cases like, for instance, a new couple had come to Sora for honeymoon. And there was nothing posted on the social media, no photographs taken of the couple and all that. So these were the red flags that actually made the police investigate the angle of probably an inside job.
So you still believe in the love angle? The lover is Raj.
Yes, this is prima facie, it appears so. But like I said, we will be able to establish all that and confirm all that only after we complete the interrogation.
Now, one question is, how do they carry the suitcase in the scooter? It is heavy. So, was there any other vehicle they took?
No. As far as we know, they carried the suitcase. The rider put it in front, in the front side and between his legs, and that was how they carried the suitcase. Yes, it appears halfway she went along with this other accused persons, halfway up till Mokadok, and from Mokadok, it appears she went. The other accused persons, is 3 contact killers. They went ahead, and Sonam from there proceeded to Guwahati, and then thereafter to Indore.
So this scooty was abandoned in Sorare.
Yes.
Do you think that the contract killers did draw this, or anybody else?
Yes, it must be either the contract killers or Sonam herself, because at that point in time there were 3 scooties, and it appears they were together at that point of time. That scooty was abandoned at Sorare with the key on, with the key of the scooty. And thereafter, Sonam got into one of the scooties along with the contractors.
So remaining 2 scooties which came to the Shillong, whether you got hold of those scooties?
No, that is under investigation at this stage, so I will not be able to reveal all that. So it's a matter of investigation, so I will not be able to.
So are the scooty missing, or?
No, it's there.
In which part of Shillong, sir, they hired a scooty?
So all that details I will not be able to share at this point in time. Scooty has been hired from Shillong, so we are also confirming about when they hired, where they went, and all that, and all the routes also. We are also confirming from the source.
Since when they have been in here in Shillong, these 3 accused?
See, as far as our information goes, they probably reach Shillong around the same time with Sonam and Raja. See, we have already given in our earlier statements also that Sonam and Raj, they are the prime suspects, okay, and the prime accused. So we stand by that. As of now, they continue to be the prime accused. However, who is the actual mastermind, who actually started this plot, that needs to be established at this stage.
There are media reports from Madhya Pradesh about another person, Raghuvanshi, who manages their finance. She was operating his account. So any information about?
See, this information you will have to ask the SP and the team which is interrogating, because as of now interrogations are going on. So that details of the interrogation will be briefed to you by the SP today later in the evening. First, we are now recording the statements of this accused persons separately, individually. At a later date, now we will confront them with the other accused persons, and the contradictory statements will be placed before both the accused at the same time. And then we will see that so-and-so is saying this, so-and-so is saying this. What actually is the truth? That we will be placing before the accused persons, and we will establish the truth based on by confronting each other, the accused persons. We will be seeking assistance from Guwahati police also, and all other state police, wherever the assistance is required. We will be seeking assistance and help from those police forces as well.
Because the model weapon was from there, and they stayed in a
Yes.
guest house there.
Yes. All the persons who are directly involved in the killing of Raja have been arrested. If there are any more accused persons, that we will establish during the course of investigation.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. from soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.